So we have a kitchen topper with lots of marks from the water, and we'll use Viacal spray to soften up the salt from the residue and make the topper look like new. So we'll spray the Viacal on the top and let it soften up the salt. I leave it for usually 10 minutes, and then I try to, with a soft sponge, to remove it and then wash it with clean water. So I rubbed it in with the sponge, yeah, and I leave it a little bit to soften up. So I washed it and I'm waiting to dry for the final photos. So it's almost dry, and as you see, there is no residue at all. Yeah, it's very good now. Looks like brand new.